Then we welcome for the lesson, ladies and gentlemen. I greet you all. So welcome for the lesson. This is Science Paper 1, 2024 Internal Division. So let's begin now. Remember before video. So this is Science Paper 1, Section B. Instruction, answer all question in this section. Write your answers in the space provided in this question paper. B1, figure B1, point 1 is showing the time recorded on a stopwatch for 40 completed possession by a learner during an experiment on a simple pendulum. So this was under simple pendulum. Question number A states the time taken in seconds for 40 oscillation. So I have 1 minute 40 seconds. So I need to calculate the time in seconds. So I'm going to do that 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. Since we have 1 minute which is 60 seconds, which is that we are going just to add 60 seconds plus the 40 seconds that we have here. 40 seconds. So the answer is 100 seconds. So this question carries one mark which is 100 seconds. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment section. So let's proceed to question number B1. Calculate the period of pendulum. So look at the period of pendulum. We already know the formula for period of pendulum. So period of pendulum is equal to time divided by number of oscillation. So period of pendulum is equal to time which you have already calculated, which is 100, divided by number of oscillation, which is 40. So period of pendulum is equal to 100 divided by 40, which is remember this is science paper, which is physics and calculated which is 2.5 seconds. So the SI unit for period is seconds. So I'm going to try the answer here, which is 2.5 seconds. So this is question number B1, which is 2 marks. So let's proceed to question number B1, B2. Calculate the frequency of the pendulum. So the frequency of pendulum, we have two formulas that we can use to calculate the frequency. So frequency is equal to 1 divided by period, or we can use this formula which says frequency is equal to number of oscillation divided by time. So I'm going to use these different formulas. I'm going to prove if we are going to get the same answer. So I'm going to start with the first one. So frequency is equal to 1 divided by period of pendulum, we have already calculated, which is 2.5. So frequency is equal to, so period of pendulum, which you are going to divide by 1. So 1 divided by 2.5, which is 0.4. Remember the SI unit for frequency is hertz. So this is the first answer. I'm going to prove now. So I'm going to use the second formula. So the second formula. So second formula. So frequency is equal to number of oscillation divided by time. So frequency is equal to number of oscillation we have already known, which is 40. Oscillation divided by time, which is 100. Remember this is science calculated around. So 40 divided by 100, which is 0.4. The SI unit, which is the same, means if you haven't understood, please click on the comment section. I will prove that the same, the different formulas bring the same answer. So the physics, you need to put your formulas in mind. So this is our end of our lesson for today. Remember to follow, like, and comment. Bye. See you in the next lessons.